Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, yan. Meron na naman po tayong panibagong vlog. And ayan po ang vlog natin, obviously. So, we are comparing the ITEL speaker, 2.1 multi-speaker, 2580 FSBD versus the TA350 titanium audio, 2.1 multimedia speaker system din. Okay, so this is almost the same in power supply ratings. This is 32 watts and this is 30 watts. However, the price difference is 1,000. This one is 1,000 and this one is 650 pesos. And yung satellite speakers nila is like almost identical. Parehas naman, no? And ayun guys. So sa magkakatalo lang nito guys, doon sa sound quality and specs, no? And ITEL is also a good brand of speaker system, although alam kong brand na ito is most good sa sa cellphone. I didn't imagine na sila gagawa rin sila ng speaker, and maganda naman actually so far. So in my observation, I have this product for a month now. Okay, siguro mga 3 weeks, and this one is almost 2 weeks, 2 months, I mean, itong si TA350. However, I find TA350 more appealing, no? Kasi meron siyang white thing doon sa speaker. Well, this one, yung design niya is parang gray yung ganun, and this is more modern, pero ito naman is medyo nostalgic yung dating. But again, it's the sound quality that counts. So personally guys, ako na nagsasabi, this sounds better for a 1,000 peso. And comparison muna natin sila, no guys, sa physical attributes, no? Tingnan nyo guys, ito guys is plastic, and this is somehow like parang parang kahoy na plastic din, but these are definitely woods, no? And the subwoofer of ITEL is sideways, while ang subwoofer naman ni TA350 audio, titanium audio, is sa harap. Pero yung release ng hangin niya is nasa likod. Okay? While ito naman, yung release ng hangin nito is sideways din. Okay? Dito yung hangin niya. So, yan. So, dito pa lang guys, makikita nyo na, even sa remote, mas premium mga ating TA350 compared to the remote of ITEL. The remote of ITEL seems to be parang cheap looking, no? Ito yung mga parang ginagamit sa mga ilaw-ilaw na mumurahin, no? Yung mga yung ilaw na merong light and sound music effect, no? Pero ayun, so sa specs naman, medyo appealing din naman si ITEL, pero talagang mas maganda lang talagang tinitingnan si TA350 just by looking at it personally, no? And ang difference nila guys is parang ito ay walang mic, no? Wait, double check ko na rin para makita natin. Okay. So, yan. So, I just don't know kung itong na ito is for mic, pero wala kasi siyang nakalagay na for mic, no? Pero again, meron siyang FM. Meron siyang FM. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ito pang mic ito eh. Hindi ko rin alam kung magagamit ito sa mic. Pero okay nang mag-check guys. Pero again, yan, meron din siyang FM antenna dito na wire, in and out, input and output of course. So pwede yung gumamit, pwede tayong dyan, pwede rin tayong magamit, pwede rin natin siyang gamitin using the laptop or TV or any player, and yun yung magiging sound speaker natin, no? Well, dito talaga kasi si TA350 guys, meron siyang mic control sa likod. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan yung niya. Ito yung mic control niya guys. Ito, mic volume, mic. Ayan guys, so mic. Tapos ito yung power niya, switch niya, power switch. Meron din siyang input and output sa likod. Ayan yung release ng hangin ng speaker sa likod, sa harap. Okay. And what's better with TA350 is ayan guys, may isang bass control dito, no? While ITEL has no bass control, although meron din siyang EQ. So you have to choose whatever you want, pop, jazz, rock, classical, whatever, pareha silang meron nun. However, si TA350 ay wala siyang digital like this. Ito ang lamang ni ITEL sa kanya, meron siyang digital, while si TA350 wala siyang digital, ganyan. So you have to figure out kung ano na yung mode nung ginagama mo. Tulad kung kanina nung minode ko siya, pumunta siya sa FM, then next to FM is the yung Bluetooth na. Then after siguro ng Bluetooth, yung susunod is yung USB. Pero alam ko pag nilagay ko yung USB dito, automatic under na siya. And yun nga yung SD. Din yung FM, no? Yun na. Babalik lang din. So yun yung bali ang nakikita kong differences nilang dalawa, no. So ITEL has a digital advantage, okay? Yan, nakikita natin AUX, then pag nilipat natin yan, magbo-Bluetooth yan. Okay, yan, PT, FM, AUX, back to AUX, no? Yan. So, yan yung advantage ni ITEL over the TA350 of the titanium audio. Well, ang advantage naman ni TA350 is sa design, bahala na kayo kung sinong mas lamang. Pero ako kasi mas nagaganda talaga ako sa nostalgic design, which is the TA350. Then, ang lamang ni TA350 meron siyang bass control, of course. Ayan, tapos yung meron siyang mic control, mic volume sa likod, which is a good thing. You can use it for karaoke siguro, no? Because you can plug this to the TV, then you play your best videoke songs, then mag-mic kayo using this. Lalabas yung speaker and sounds dito sa speaker, no? Dito naman wala. It's a plain parang MP3 player lang. However, it's a 2.1 channel na unit, and sa laki is they are actually parang identical lang talaga. And guys, ako na nagsasabi sa inyo, i-compare ko yung sound quality nila, no? I-play ko lang yung video natin. I-play ko lang pala yung music video natin, no? Because I cannot play a music here na makaka-copyright. Yung YouTube video music ko lang yung i-play natin para ma-compare natin silang dalawa. Okay? So, place ko yan sa Bluetooth. Unahin muna natin sa TA350 so that we'll know if ano ang quality niya. Yan. So, ayan na pala guys, ito na pala yan. So si ITEL muna yung nauna. Okay guys, so tingnan naman natin tong kabila. Nakita nyo na kung ano yung niya, yung difference nila sa yun muna yung panlaban ni ITEL. However, itong alisin muna natin siya. So dito muna tayo sa TA350. Okay guys, so yan, si TA350 connected na. So this is the sound. Okay guys, so back to ITEL ulit para makumpara nyo ulit. muna tayo ng sounds. Ako, makaka-copyright tayo. Okay. Okay na. So, ayun guys, napansin nyo ba kung ano yung pinaka-major difference nila? Yung clarity guys, medyo mas lamang ito, si TA350. Pero yung power, parang mas malakas talaga ito. 32 watts kasi ito, while this one is a 30 watt speaker. So, yung 2 watts, medyo may malaking advantage siya, no? Comparing them, no? So, ayun. So, yun nga yung assessment ko talaga. Ang 1,000 pesos at yung 650 ang difference nun guys, yun nga ito, meron kasi itong mic, meron tong bass control, meron tong mic volume, meron tong mic output. While this one, wala siyang mic output, wala siyang bass control, pero again, they have the same specs of, meron silang EQ, pero yung lakas is nandito. Pero, ang pangit kasi dito sa unit na ito guys, is yung pag tinodoy mo sa ibang sounds ito, medyo sabog yung output ng sounds na binibigay niya. While this one, pag tinodo mo to, kung ano lang yung sagad ng output ng sounds niya, yun lang, hindi siya magsa-sounds ng sabog. So, palakasan, this one, ito yung panalo. Pagandahan ng labas ng sound quality, ito yung panalo. But they are close. So, yung difference ng price ay nasa sa inyo na lang guys kung kukunin niyo yung may bass control at yung mic volume at yung pwedeng magamit as videoke speaker. So, yun ang difference niya. So, this one is priced at 700, 650 to 700, while this one is priced at 1,000 pesos. So, nasa sa inyo yung 300 pesos difference kung worth it ba by getting the TA350 or the ITEL 2580 FSB-D. No? And that's true. Totoo yan. Yung Enjoy the Bass na yan. Maganda yung output ng sound dito. Pero mas clear at ano lang talaga to. Yung, alam niyo yun guys maririnig niyo yun sa tenga niyo, yung hindi siya sabog. Well, this one, pag nakatodo to, sumasabog yung sounds. Medyo hindi na siya kaganda-gandang pinakikinggan. Pero ito guys, pag tinodo mo to, wala. Yung max niya, yun lang talaga, bitin, pero yung quality is panalo. Okay? So yun guys, I think we're done. Yan na po ang ating vlog for today. So kung meron po kayong questions, huwag po kayong mag-hesitate magtanong. Try po natin yan sagutin sa abot ng aking makakaya. Again, thanks for watching. Keep safe everyone. Thanks be to God. Bye for now. Bye!